Chapter 6. Functions of beaks and claws. Beaks help the birds to pick up their food and also protect themselves from the enemies. Claws help in catching, holding, and eating food. Now, we will describe about the functions and types of beaks and claws of birds. All birds have beaks, but different birds have beaks of different shapes and sizes. Functions of the beak. Used for catching and eating food. Used for defensing. Used for gathering material for the nest. Used for feeding the young ones. Used for cleaning the feathers. Used for catching prey. The given table shows the different types of beaks and their uses. Types of beak. Description and use. Examples. Spear-shaped. Long, sharp and pointed beak that acts like a spear to stab fish. Kingfisher, heron, egret. Strainer. Strong, elongated and flat beak with comb-like structures all along the edges that helps to strain water and mud when the bird catches its prey. Duck, swan. Cracker. Short, thick and conical beak, broad at the base, helps the bird to break hard nuts and crack open seeds. Sparrow, finch. Hooked. Strong, sharp and hooked beak, helps to tear flesh of small animals like frogs, mice, snakes into small pieces. Vulture, kite, eagle, hawk. Chisel-shaped. Long, slender beak, tapering at the tip, helps to make holes in the barks of trees and to catch insects. Woodpecker, hoopos. Tweezer-shaped. Long and thin beak helps to pick up and hold on to insects. Warbler, wrens. Probe. Long, slender beak like a straw, helps to suck nectar from flowers. Hummingbirds, sunbird. Claws. Just like beaks, birds have different types of claws suited to the ways in which they catch food and move around. Functions of claws. To catch and eat food. To walk or run. To protect themselves from enemies. To perch on trees. The given table shows different types of claws and their uses. Claws shape. Birds. Description and use. Examples. Swimming. Swimming birds have webbed feet. They work as oars while swimming. There are 3 toes in the front and 1 small back toe. Duck, swan. Wading. Wading birds have long legs and spread out toes. They wade through water without getting wet and without sinking. Crane, heron, egret. Perching. This type of foot has 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back, which curls around the branch to hold it firmly. This helps the bird to sleep even while perching. Crow, myna, sparrow. Flesh-eating. Strong, sharp and large curved claws called talons. Birds scoop down from the sky and catch their prey. Eagle, hawk. Scratching. The feet have strong legs with 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. Sharp and hard claws are used to scratch the ground to dig out grains and insects. Pheasant, hen. Climbing. The feet have two toes in the front which point upwards and two at the back which point downwards. They enable the bird to climb trees and cling to them. Parakeet, woodpecker. Running. These feet have two toes instead of four. The legs are very strong and are specifically designed for running fast. Ostrich,